Hello, crafters, makers, and new Cricut design beginners. This video is for those who love crafting, anyone looking for a new hobby using the Cricut Joy Xtra. This is an amazing tool using Cricut Design Space. This machine is very versatile, giving you the opportunity to cut several different materials for many different projects, such as t-shirt making, hat making. You can create tote bags with your vinyl, even anniversary, special occasion gift cards. Cricut crafting is a great hobby for beginners or anyone looking to explore their artistic, creative side. Learning how to use this machine has been great. I am so much far along in my journey, and I have actually been able to create beautiful single layer designs that were a success. In this experience that I'm showing you, this turned out to be a multi-layer design. And again, as I mentioned, this was my first experience using the Cricut Joy Xtra outside of the beginner Cricut project that they send you with the materials. So again, I'm using this beautiful golden color. It had a little bit of shimmer in it. It was really nice. However, that mama design that I created using the Cricut design space, it did not turn out well. My design process for this particular experience was create the design, something that I liked. I did not consider if it were single layer or multi-layer. I didn't find out about that until I told someone the tough time that I had while creating it. While weeding it. So again, the design process can be very easy for a single layer. Simply design it in Cricut Design Space or Canva and choose your vinyl that you want, cut your vinyl, apply your vinyl to your mat, insert your vinyl into your machine, and watch the machine do its great work. And then you would eject it and weed your design and then apply it using your heat press, so on and so forth. So it's a very simple and straightforward design process, but you have to know if you're using a single layer, multi-layer, and the steps that you need to take if that is the case. So that is one thing that I learned from this project, and I'm so happy that I was able to share it with you. I hope this video encourages you to start on your journey of crafting or developing a new hobby. So now I'm going to start the weeding process. Now I'm going to begin weeding. This is my first design. I have no idea how I did, but we will see. Wow, let's go. As you can see here, if you're more experienced, this design is cut in a way that I really don't understand. I'm not sure what totally happened, but I can tell you that when I inserted the vinyl the first time, it did eject and it told me to insert it in again. So therefore, I know it was a multi-layer design, but it was supposed to be single layer. So clearly I did something wrong. One great thing about starting a hobby is that it is in fact a hobby. No one's pressuring you. And although I am starting a small business, using the Cricut, I'm under no pressure at all when it came to this design. This was simply experience of learning and enjoying the newness of it all and enjoying the learning process. If you haven't already, pick up the Cricut Joy Xtra and start your new hobby and enjoy the journey of crafting. can see, but today was a total fail. But this is the life of a beginner, and I'm not afraid to show you. I'm not ashamed to show you, but the design did not turn out the way I planned. It's extremely hard to weave, this design is, and probably not the best design for a beginner. So I will try again tomorrow. Thank you. As you can see, yeah, you might not notice what's going on, but it's it's not turning out well. It's not turning out well at all. But I'll finish weeding this and I will come back and show you um, what it looks like after I'm done weeding, but I doubt that I will apply this to a canvas. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more crafting videos. Bye.